I'm Dr. Tristan Brown. I'm an optometrist here at Ignatius Healthcare, and I practice in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. An optometrist is someone that specializes in the health and function of the eyes and the visual system, so be that the eyes themselves, the eye muscles, or the eye nerves that control the movement and function of the eyes, and the neural pathways that take the information from our eyes back to the brain. I had a pretty good interest in eyes kind of growing up. I grew up in a family with optometrists, so I was always being told, how to protect my eyes, be it wearing safety glasses when I was out in the garage or out in the yard working on a project, wearing sunglasses when I was out in the sunlight, and then also just kind of getting to understand what an optometrist really is and how they help serve their patients on a daily basis. I think one of the most rewarding aspects of optometry is just the huge impact you can have on a patient's overall life. A lot of us take our eyes and our vision kind of for granted. And so sometimes you have those little kids that come in, maybe they're struggling in school, they can't see the board, they're not doing real well on their homework, and you find all they really need is a good pair of glasses, and it can really kind of flip their world upside down. Parents say that they're more outgoing, they're doing better in school, and then later in life too, just helping patients see their best, enhance their vision, protect their vision throughout the rest of their life. I find those all to be really, really rewarding. Growing up in Fond du Lac, I got to know Ignatius Healthcare pretty well, through going here for well visits, sick visits, broken bones, everything in between. Also through volunteering here in high school and just kind of seeing Ignatius' presence in the community, I guess. You kind of get to see Ignatius as that friend or neighbor that's there to offer high quality, compassionate care to anyone that needs it in the community. So when I graduated, I thought it'd be a really neat experience to kind of flip roles and be on the giving end of that, compassionate care and quality care that I've been receiving all my life. And so far, it's been a really enjoyable experience. I think patients should choose Ignatius Healthcare for many of the reasons that I chose to work at Ignatius Healthcare. Ignatius really stresses the high quality, patient-based care for anyone in the community. And you can just kind of see just about any specialty you need for any medical problem you may have, Ignatius pretty much has that specialty. So it really kind of speaks volumes to me for Ignatius' commitment to serving the whole person and taking care of the community that they serve. As an optometrist, I guess Continuum of Care speaks to, for me, being able to take care of a patient from when they're real young, maybe they're a year or two old, all the way up into those later years in life. And especially in a place like Ignatius, it's working together with the other specialties, be it internal medicine or family medicine or any of those little other subspecialties to really coordinate the care to find out what's best for that patient's individual needs. I like to do just about anything that'll get me outdoors and keep me active. A lot of times you'll find me biking out around the loop around Fond du Lac on my bike. I like to get outdoors, hiking, biking, running, kayaking. I also like cooking, traveling. I'm a big fan of the national parks. I kind of have a goal to get to as many of the national parks I can in my lifetime. So really just kind of getting outdoors and being active.